Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Cloudflare access policies for Zero Trust, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Navigate to the Zero Trust section from the main menu. Select the Access tab under Zero Trust. Click on the Policies option in the Access section. Here, you'll see existing policies listed on the page. To create a new policy, click on the Add a Policy button. Enter a name for your new policy in the designated field. Set the desired action for the policy, such as allow or block. Next, define the conditions for your policy. You can choose from various attributes like user identity, groups, and more. For user identity, select the appropriate email domain or user groups. If you're specifying device criteria, select the corresponding device options. Consider adding additional rules to refine your policy conditions further. Once you've set the conditions, scroll down to the Action section. Here, configure what happens when the conditions are met. You can enforce multi-factor authentication or other security measures if needed. Review the entire policy to ensure it meets your requirements. When satisfied, click the Save button to save the new policy. The policy will now appear in the list of existing policies. You can quickly edit or delete any policy from this list as needed. Once your policies are configured, test them to ensure they work as intended. Check the logs to observe user access and policy enforcement. Monitor and adjust your policies as necessary based on user feedback and security needs. With these steps, you will successfully authorize Cloudflare access policies for Zero Trust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.